Welcome back. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to create a service quotation for different types of services and submit it for managerial review and approval. Now we'll move forward and look at the manager side of the process. Typically, there are two separate users involved. One user creates the quotation, and the other, usually a manager, is responsible for reviewing and approving it. However, for this demonstration, we're using the same user account for both roles. This allows us to walk through the process smoothly without switching logins, which makes it easier to understand how the workflow operates. Let's navigate to the Approvals module. Here, under the Approvals Manager view, we can see the submitted quotation number 31 for Docking Saudi Arabia. The manager has the option to print the quotation for a full detailed view or click directly on the Approve button. At this point, the manager can either approve the quotation immediately or raise a query by adding remarks. In our case, the manager notices something. The quantity mentioned is 20, but it was supposed to be 150 pipes. So a remark is entered highlighting this discrepancy and submitted back to the creator of the quotation. Let's now switch back to the quotation application to see how this remark appears on the creator's end. There's no email notification configured for this demo, but screen-to-screen interaction allows us to see updates in real time. Back in the quotation application, we locate quotation number 31. A red flag on the record indicates that the manager has added a remark. Opening it, we can view the message. The quantity agreed for pipe inspection was 150. Why we are quoting less. Now the author can respond to this query. By going into edit mode, they enter a response explaining that the client is requesting a quote only for the immediate requirement, hence the reduced quantity. Switching back to the approval application, we see that the manager can now view the response clearly. It reads, "Client wants a quote only for the immediate requirement for now." With the explanation in place, the manager can now proceed. If needed, they could still add further remarks, but in this case, they choose to approve the quotation. Now let's switch back to the quotation application. As you can see, the thumbs up icon next to quotation 31 indicates that it's ready to go. The status has been updated to approved along with the current date. This means the quotation is now finalized and ready to be printed or sent to the client. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more demos.